Whoa! No! No, stop! I'm hitting you! Why won't you? Let go! You're dragging me! Why did you stop? What was that? There's something down there. No way. Oh God. You went after me. I see it now. Alright, I've got you. Easy, stay with me. Come on. Wait, ground. Oh, that's coming down. You want me to take him? Got it. Hold on tight. We're almost there. Stay with me. I'm not going to come back, I swear. I've got you and I'm coming back for it. Come on. Here, help me. Hey, look at me. Oh, thank God. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Dad's back. Just trying to get home.